Want to make your online courses more accessible and boost enrollment by offering flexible payment plans? Let's dive straight into setting up payment plans for your courses using Stripe. First, log into your Stripe account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one to proceed. Now, navigate to the Products section. This is where you'll define your courses as products within Stripe. Click Add Product and enter the name of your course. For example, Digital Marketing Masterclass. Add a detailed description of your course to entice potential students. Then, specify the product type as service since you're providing educational content. Next, it's time to create your pricing plans. Choose recurring to set up installment payments. Give your plan a descriptive name like 3-month payment plan. Now, set the amount customers will pay per installment and select the billing interval for a 3-month plan. Set the interval to monthly. Choose your currency and click Save Product. Head over to Subscription Settings. This will allow you to customize trial periods or set up automatic payment collection. Congratulations, you've successfully created a payment plan for your course. You can now embed the Stripe payment link on your website's checkout page. Your students can now enroll with easy installments, growing your course accessibility and revenue.